Roshan is a seasoned investor in the stock market who focuses on value investing. What is that? Value investing means buying good stocks that are trading below their fair price. You make profit by buying cheap and selling it at a higher price. But just the prospects of good value is not enough for selecting shares. This is what is happening in Taparia Tools. Now, along with the FY23 result on May 30, this company announced a dividend of 77.5 rupees and a bonus shares in ratio of 4:1, that is 4 bonus shares will be given for every 1 share held. Now, even if we ignore the bonus, the share was trading at 12 rupees when the bonus and the dividend of 77.5 rupees was announced. Not just Roshan, anyone would have been surprised and would have directly placed a buy order. Roshan also did the same, but the moment he placed a bid to buy the shares, he realized that the shareholders of the company are not selling the shares at all. The float of this company is also not very high, meaning the volume is almost close to nil. Well then, Roshan didn't get a chance to buy the shares. He somehow restrained himself from this, but he could not stop himself from solving the mystery of the dividend of 77.5 rupees on the share value of 12 rupees. When Roshan did a little research, looked at the results of the company, the shareholding pattern, he realized it may all be the doing of the promoters. The price is being played with for the benefit of promoters. He looked at the financial performance of this company. The company had a revenue of 764 crore rupees in FY23 and a profit of 72.32 crore rupees, while the market cap was only 3.34 crore rupees. But that alone increased the complication. Then he checked the shareholding pattern, and this is what it had to say. The promoters of the company, that is Taparia and Bangur family, have about 70% stake, that is about 21.25 lakh shares, and the public has 30.2% share, which is 9.25 lakh, that is the total outstanding shares of the company are only 30.35 lakh. He realized one more thing, that the equity of the company is small, that is the total number of shares is very less, due to which it is easy to control the share price. But still, he was not satisfied. On closer scrutiny, he found that most of the public shareholders in the company had Taparia and Bangur's surname. That was surprising. This means that promoters own almost the entire company indirectly and they are controlling the price. Perhaps that is why there have been allegations against the promoters that they are controlling the free float, that is, the shares available for trading in the open market. In view of these allegations, during September to December 2010, the company decided to reclassify 11 promoter and promoter group entities, and these entities were given the status of public shareholders, that is, non-promoters. Now, these 11 entities held 12.28% stake in the company. But despite the move, on 26 June 2019, market regulator SEBI passed an order which stated that mere reclassification of these 11 entities do not end their control over the company directly or indirectly, because all these entities are working closely with the promoters. Not only that, the order was challenged by the company in the Securities Appellate Tribunal on 9th November 2021. The SAT rejected SEBI's orders. Now, following this, Roshan understood the whole story, how promoters play with the shares of their company, how they manipulate the share prices, and how they transfer the whole dividend to the family. Basically, they transfer the money from one pocket to another. So one thing is clear, that along with the regulator SEBI, the stock exchanges also need to take steps regarding Taparia Tools. These stocks hint at corporate governance issues. Investors should avoid investing in such stocks. Just on the prospects of huge dividends, they should invest only for the long term based on the fundamentals of the company. If you can't do your own research, please consult a financial advisor.